Alright, so for parts C and D, you are using the norm.dist function. Now, your x is going to be the 10.3. Your standard or your mean is going to be the 9.4. Standard deviation for part C is going to be the one you're given in the initial problem, so 1.3. And then cumulative is always 1. Hit enter. Now Excel always gives your answer in less than terms, so what we have to do is subtract this number from 1 to get the correct value. So this value right here, the 0.75, would be less than 10.3 ppm, not more than. So to find more than, you have to do equals 1 minus 0.75, hit enter, and this 0.244 is going to be the correct answer for C. Now for part D, it's going to be an extremely small number here. So again, equals norm.dist, but we're using the standard deviation that we calculated for part B here. So our x again is 10.3, our mean is 9.4. Standard deviation this time is going to be 0.2109, and then cumulative is always 1. And again, you're just going to get an extremely small number. So equals 1 minus s, hit enter. Now your correct value for this, let's see, extremely small. Let's try this. Equals 1 minus 9999011. Nope, same thing. Well then for part D, I would try either entering in 0 or 0.01. See what you get. But that should be it, Tracy.